In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how does Cash App Afterpay work. So basically, you can pay in 4 interest-free installments. So if you want to buy something off their store, you can basically choose Afterpay, and you're gonna have to pay the first payment. So it's gonna basically be divided in 4 payments. So you have to make the first payment up front and the rest over time. Now you're gonna get these payments without interest if you pay on time, but if you don't pay on time, they're gonna charge you interest on that payment. So basically there are no fees when you pay on time, as you can see here, and you can shop thousands of brands and millions of products online and in store, and you can use Cash App Afterpay. You just have to make sure that you have the money for the first payment. So let's say you buy something worth $100, so it's going to be divided by 4, so you have to pay first $25 and then the rest over time, but make sure you pay on time because it's very important for your credit score. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.